Let me show you how I make my nutri-dense cereal. This cereal here is well balanced. It is not your regular kind of cereal. This is so nutritional. This contains a whole lot. And the good thing, the special part of this and what differentiates my cereal from every other cereal is that I measure everything that I use. Everything was carefully made, carefully selected, well measured, and this is just the best of it all. It is so rich, so creamy when you eat it. Anyways, I sell this on pre-order. Now, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and select the things that I'll be using for it. I'll be using my guinea corn, and this is the white one. Yeah, I'm gonna use the white guinea corn. The color guinea corn somehow has this a little bit of bitter taste, and also this particular white one I actually need it because, yeah, for many other reasons, it has the things that I need. Also, I'll be using soya beans for this, and I soaked my soya beans. I selected it and I soaked it for a day, and then this is me washing it out. I'm going to cook this and I will wash it before I dry it. I took my time to prepare this cereal. This is well prepared, carefully prepared. Everything here, nothing is going to irritate anyone who eats this. It is well, like it is balanced. Now I'm going to cook my soya beans and then I'm going to wash it out. Now, going through all these steps will make this particular ingredient cereal to easily digest, and then there will be no tossing. The things that soya beans causes and all of those things, you won't feel it when you eat my nutri-dense cereal. And this is actually suitable for everybody, even someone who maybe you have some health challenges. You can actually eat this because I did proper research before I formulated this. Nothing is in a high proportion, everything is balanced. So this is not going to affect anybody. Elderly can take this, children can take this, just different measurements, which I am going to put it to you. So guys, I went ahead to wash my soya beans. I'm going to take off the peel. It is important. When it comes to food making, I don't joke with hygiene. I'll process my food carefully because it is something that I will eat as well. Now for my date, I went ahead to deseed my date. After deseeding it, I wash it carefully. After washing, I'm going to dry my dates. So after washing, I allow my date to dry up and I'm going to dry it further because I need it to dry properly. Now this here is my tiger nut. This tiger nut, I selected it, I soaked it, and then I washed it and dried. So everything you see here, I selected, soak the ones I needed to soak. There are some things that once you soak them, like you need to ferment them before using. Like once you ferment them, you will get all the benefits and it will not irritate your body. It will not irritate you. So I did proper research and I had to ferment the things I fermented. I washed everything carefully and that's that. So here is my potato. Here's my oat, my rolled oats. I'm going to toast it. I love oats a lot. Yeah, oats is one of those things that I love very, very well. So I'll be toasting this one now. You don't need to wash it, right? You don't need to wash your oats. This is how I make my nutrient cereal anyways, and maybe one or two steps that I couldn't film. So after toasting, I have all of these. Okay, before I blend, this is what I have. This is my potato. This is my dates. You can see I've roasted everything. This is my peanut. I have cashew nuts, and I have my tiger nuts, well roasted. Yeah, this is my cashew nuts. This is my peanuts. This is my pumpkin seed. This is my almond. This is okay, there's oats. So I'm going to now carefully measure which is what differentiates or what will differentiate my product from every other product out there. And then I think I added something else. One other thing that's okay, two things actually that will make my products, that make my own products unique. Now, I'm going to measure everything using my scale. If you want to learn this, the correct measurements, and you want to arrive exactly where I will arrive when I make exactly where I arrived when I make my nutrient cereal, if you want to get my measurements, you want your nutrient cereal to taste so good, so lovely, something you can sell. Anyways, you can come and learn from me, okay? You will pay and learn. But then, if you don't want to go through this stress, because making this is stressful, it took me days, I think a week to make this. Now, if you want to learn, come and learn. But if you don't want to go through all this stress, you can buy from me. Wherever you are, I can ship to you. Now, this nutrient cereal, this my product, is good for just anybody. Children can take it. Like I said, the measurements will just be different. Like if I'm gonna give you measurement to use, like okay, for children what you need is 4 tablespoons for instance, and then for adults what you need is 7 tablespoons, or what you need is this. Now what you consume, the measurement now contains, the measurement is what balance the protein amount, the fiber amount, carbohydrate, and everything in this particular nutrient cereal. It is rich. When I say it is rich, it is so creamy and rich. When you eat this, you become full, like you eat it and it is good, it's well balanced. So this is how I make my nutrient cereal. Now at this point I didn't use everything that I processed, I just kept some. Okay, after measuring I had some things left. So at this point I'm going to go blend this. I'm going to blend. So after blending, this is what I have. And I'll go ahead and sieve it. This takes time, like it is time consuming. So after blending, I'm going to sieve. I will sieve this in a way that there will be no chaff, no single chaff. As a matter of fact, you may decide to just add this into your hot tea. You may decide to add this into your hot pap if you want. Okay, now after sieving this is what I have. Next I'll just go ahead and package it, and this is what I have here. So guys, it is not about using 20 something items, using all the seeds in the market and all the nuts in the market. What matters is how balanced and how rich it is. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.